Okay, the last part we want to do with this here, with our eyes and eyelids, is we need to cut back under here for when we put our eyes in. Okay, we've cut up underneath our eyelid here, so that's when we go to put our drill for our eyes. You take a little marker here, and this can slide up under in here a little bit, so you'll be able to have the eye up inside. So we're going to mark that.
So congratulations to this guy, and congratulations for taking the punishment. That's admirable. He did honor his bear. Indeed, like a fine southern gentleman. That's exactly right. Oh, look what time it is. What time is it? Two brothers from San Francisco.
If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Now you can see when we drill our hole, our eye will go up underneath the lid a little bit. That's where we want it to be.
Highlining is high altitude slack lining.
Thanks for watching.